Hey there, this is Heather with a New Day Crochet, here to show you how to make a magic circle or a magic ring. Now the reason you'd want to make this is if you're making a hat or you are making some kind of circular project and you want to be able to have a little bit of flexibility on making your the center nice and tight. So what it does is it makes it more adjustable. So it's pretty simple. I'm going to be demonstrating with some just regular worsted weight yarn and a 5.5mm hook. So to get started, it's kind of like getting started with a chain. You're going to grab your yarn and make a loop around your finger. Okay, so you have this like little cross here, and then once you have that cross just like that, you're going to take your hook, put it underneath here between your finger and the yarn. You're going to come in and grab the yarn right here with your hook, and you're going to pull up a loop, okay, just like so. And then, depending on what your project is and what you're doing, you'll want to add some stitches inside of this magic circle. So I'm going to just demonstrate using double crochet. So I'm going to yarn over, pull up through a loop, yarn over. So I just chained 2 onto this magic circle. Okay, so I'm going to just double crochet 10 into here because that's what I normally do when I'm starting something, especially a hat. And I like, for me personally, I like to use my fingers to kind of just guide the yarn a little bit better. It creates a little bit more of a uniform look. And then once I have done a stitch, I like to kind of pull them together just to keep them a little tidy. Otherwise it can be really hard to work in this magic ring. Oops. So that is 3. I just like to pull them together as I go. That's just me. Some people do it differently. I like to just use my fingers for these because it does make it a little bit faster, a little bit tidier. And then once I get started, it goes by much faster. Okay, so this was, I think, 6. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 6, 7. Keep pulling on that. And if you need more slack, or if you want to tighten it a little bit, this string is what makes it adjustable. So you can just pull on it to tighten it up a little bit. I think that was 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I keep losing count. 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so once you've reached the, your desired stitches on the ring, you'll have something that looks like this. And what's really cool about the magic ring or the magic circle is this is the yarn you're working with, but the little tail here, once you are ready to connect all of this, you just pull on the tail and it closes that hole. And I am going to slip stitch into the top there, so that way I've got this little circle. And you can see this hole in the middle, and I'm going to just take my end piece, the start of the magic circle, I'm just going to pull on it. You can see how nice and tight that is now. And you can do this with single crochets, half double crochets, treble crochets, but this was just with double crochets. So anyways, pretty straightforward. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure that you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel where I share lots of beginner tips on how to crochet. So thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.